Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve IT administrator has limited access pop-up on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer guys. Let's fix that issue guys. For that, go to search menu and type CMD. Click run as administrator over here. Click yes. Now check my video description for these 10 comments guys. So basically that disable anti-spyware, that a common key that might actually be blocking Windows security, so that recreates the system in the registering. By deleting it, you are re-enabling Windows security guys. For that, you just need to copy all these commands using Ctrl C and Ctrl V. You just want to paste in here guys in CMD. Copy it one by one. Just copy and press. You just need to complete it successfully. After that, you just copy the next by copying it. Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Use it guys in keyboard. I'm using that, basically is so fast to do it. And let's finish this guys. Just want to click yes for this, for Y in keyboard, and press enter. And after that, copy the next comments as well as paste it in with the Ctrl V guys. Copy with the Ctrl C and paste with the Ctrl V. By doing this, your problem has been resolved. And last and finals command. And after finishing this all commands in my description of video, we just want to close out of here and go ahead and restart your PC guys. And after restarting your PC, you should good to go guys. Your problem has been resolved. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.